Hey besties, so here's another wax with me. We're gonna move fast, so you guys gotta keep up. Okay, so today we are waxing our underarms with the Purple Seduction wax from Sexy Smooth Wax. They sent it to me so I could review it and tell you guys about it. And y'all, I actually was really surprised. The wax is bomb. So first you guys saw me clean my underarms. I usually use hydrogen peroxide with a touch of oil just to give the skin a little barrier. And then I add cornstarch. And if you're anything like me, you're gonna go ahead and make a mess. So boom, here you see me holding the stick perpendicular to my skin and applying the wax. So I will say that my underarm wasn't super hairy, so this wax strip is a little thin, and I always tell you guys, when I do these strips on myself, they're ugly. When I do them on my clients, they're cute. That's just how it works. I don't make the rules. This wax is a really pretty purple color. I layered it on semi-thin, semi-thick, but make sure the most important thing is that you make that lip and you drag the wax below where your hair actually ends, so that when you flick that tab to pull the wax up, you're not hurting yourself, right? So this is in real time. I didn't cut anything out in this part. Y'all are seeing me dry the wax. So you want the wax to be warm to the touch. You want to hold the skin tight. You want to count to 3. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Rip. Yeah, and that's how you do it. So I'm showing you guys the wax strip. You guys can't really see the hair bulbs, but you guys saw the beginning. Boom, look at the after. I really just need to do one cleanup strip. Like, this is me looking at my underarm amazed. And here's going to be another strip. This is my cleanup strip. This one could have been a little bit thinner because I didn't have that much hair left over, because the wax really got majority of the hair in the first pull. But here I'm just cleaning up, so I'm going in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I'm getting all those little tiny hairs that I might have missed. I'm getting any corner hairs, any tiny hairs. I'm just flicking those right off. Boom, with the stick. Holding the skin taut. Once again, real time. I'm making my tab. I'm gonna fan it a little bit, and then I'm gonna start touching it again just to make sure that the tab is not still, or the wax isn't super hot. It's warm to the touch, but it's not gummy. And this wax dries pretty fast. Like, I wasn't in front of a fan or anything. When I do Brazilians, I even have a fan going. So you're gonna do the same thing. Hold the skin taut, deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, rip, boom, cleanup strip done. And then look at the underarm. There's that little piece of wax left, but just take that off. And if I wasn't making this video, I wouldn't have done any tweezing, because this is good enough for me. But I do see a little ingrown hair at the top. If you guys see that little bump, that's an ingrown. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. Yeah, easy peasy. I tried to show it to you guys. You guys can't see it, so I put it on a 4x4 or aesthetic wipe. And that was that little bump. It was so easy to get out. If you're exfoliating and you're moisturizing and you're waxing the way you should, ingrowns are minimal to none. But if you do get them, they should be a lot easier to get out without having to bruise and compromise the skin barrier. And then I'm just gonna go on with a little tweezing, and y'all, I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other arm, but look at the results. The results really do eat. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. I'm sitting here playing with this one little hair that doesn't even matter. The results eat. 2 strips. My armpit is hairless. Bye bye.